Good morning everybody. Welcome to session 3 on give and follow simple directions. Just before we get into the next set of exercises, I thought it'd be a good idea to just recap session 2. So in session 2 we had a series of questions about your dominant hand. Whether your left hand is your dominant hand or your right hand is your dominant hand. My dominant hand is my right hand. I write with my right hand. I shake hands with my right hand. So let's just look at your responses to the series of questions about your dominant hand. So the first question was, I write with my right hand or my left hand? Which hand do you write with? I write with my right hand because my right hand is my dominant hand. When you're wearing a watch, do you wear your watch on the left or on the right? Some people wear their watch on the right hand side. I wear my watch on my left wrist. I haven't got it on today, but I wear my watch on my left hand. Which hand do you wear your watch on? When you shake hands with somebody, which hand do you use? Do you use your right hand or your left hand? Many people use their right hand. I use my right hand. Some people may use their left hand. Which hand do you use to shake hands with? What about when you use your fork? What about when you're sitting at the table having your lunch or your dinner or your breakfast and you're using a fork? Do you use it in your left hand or your right hand? People use it in different hands. I use my fork in my left hand. When I use a knife, I use it in my right hand. Fork in my left, knife in my right. But which hand do you use your fork in? Left or right? What did you answer for? In Australia, we drive on which side of the road? Do we drive on the left-hand side of the road? Or do we drive on the right-hand side of the road? It's a bit tricky that, because our steering wheels are on the right-hand side of the road. In Australia, we drive on the left-hand side of the road. Did you answer left? Did you answer... In Australia, we drive on the left-hand side of the road. If we drove on the other side of the road, there'd be lots of problems, lots of accidents and cars going all over the place to avoid everybody. That's why we drive on the left-hand side, How did you go with all of those answers? I'm going to pause the video now and move to the next slide. The next section you did, the next exercise you did was a whole range of pictures. There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 pictures. There were pictures and also some signs, a few signs. Your exercise was to cut out the images and locate them on the next page, which had 2 columns. A left column and a right column. Left, right. So in that series of images, there was a keep left sign. There was someone holding a fork. There was a foot. There was another fork. There was a hand and a knife and a watch, another knife, a keep right sign, another foot, 2 people shaking hands, and another hand. Did you put them in the right columns? Did you put the left in the left columns and the right in the right columns? Where did you put the keep right sign? That's a little easy because it tells you to keep right, so that would have gone in the right column. What about the keep left sign? The keep left sign. Did you put that in the left-hand column or the right-hand column? I hope you put it in the left-hand column. It says keep left. What about the top foot? Was that a left foot or a right foot? If you look, you can see a big toe, so it's your left foot. What about the foot at the bottom? Is that your left foot as well? Or is that your right foot? See the big toe? That shows you it's your right foot. And what about the hand with the knife in it? Was that a left hand or a right hand? Have a look at the thumb. Can you see if that's a left or a right? I think it is a right hand. Is it a right hand? It looks to me like it's a right hand. Okay, so we're just going to pause the video now and move on to session 3 exercises. Okay, this is the first exercise for session 3. You can see on this page there is a list of directions. These are directions that we use every day to help people to locate something or go somewhere. So let's just run through them. So these are a list that are in addition to left and right. And remember we said up and down. So up and down is in this list, but there's a whole lot of other ones too that we use every day. So here we go. The first one says next to. An example would be the keys are next to the book. The keys are next to the book. Under. My feet are under the table. My feet are under the table. Above. The window is above the kitchen sink. The window is above the kitchen sink. Between. The big cup is between the small cups. The big cup is between the small cups. Behind. The TV remote control is behind the cushion. Did you find it? Who's ever lost their remote control? The TV remote control is behind the cushion. Up. The clouds are up in the sky. If you look up outside, you'll see the clouds are up in the sky. Down, down. The ball is down on the ground. The ball is down on the ground. Front. The car is out the front. My car is out the front. Back. The dog is out the back. Anushka is out the back playing. Where is Anushka? She's out the back. Top. The plates are in the top cupboard. Do you keep your plates in the top cupboard? The bottom. Are your plates in the bottom cupboard? Do you keep your plates in the bottom cupboards? What about straight? What about walk straight towards the wall? Walk straight towards the wall. So straight. Let's go straight towards the wall. Okay, how about you think of some examples of these directions? You could use your own house and the things in your room. So take each one of these directions, find something that's next to something, under something, above something, between, behind, up, down, in front of, in the back, up the top, down the bottom, or straight ahead of you. I'll pause the video now for you to do this exercise. Have fun. Okay, here is the second exercise of session 3. On the left-hand page, you can see a series of glasses with coloured liquids. You can see a blue one, a yellow one, an orange one, a red one, and a green one. You can see the list of colours on this side of the page. On this side, on the right-hand side of the page, you can see the same image with the coloured glasses in the same position, And here are a series of questions about the positioning of these glasses. So where is the orange? Where is the green? Where is the blue, yellow, or red glasses? So the first question here says the blue drink is on the left or right side? The green drink is on the right or left side? The yellow drink is on top of, below, between, left, right of the orange drink. The green is in, what's that word that fits there, of the red drink. The orange drink is something the blue and green drinks. So here is a series of words at the bottom which come from the directions: between, left, behind, front and right. So those words fit in these answers. So have a look at the picture, have a look at the question, and then choose the word that best fits in here. Choose the word that best fits in there. So take some time, have a look at the picture on the left side here, then look at the questions on the right side here, and see if you can work out which drink is where. Where is each drink placed in relation to another drink? So where is the green drink in relation to the red drink, or the orange drink, or the yellow drink, or the blue drink? So here are the questions, here are the answers. You choose the correct answer. Okay, I'll let you spend some time doing that, and I'm going to pause the video now. Okay, so how did you go with those answers? Were you able to choose the correct word from the list to fit in the first one? Did you put the blue drink is on the left-hand side? The left-hand side of the picture? How about the green drink? Where is the green drink? Is the green drink on the left or the right? What answer did you put there? What about the yellow drink? Is the yellow drink in front of the orange drink, or is the yellow drink behind the orange drink? What about the green drink? Where's the green drink? The green drink's here. Is it behind the red drink? Or is the green drink in front? Is it in front of the red drink? What about the orange drink? Where was the orange drink? It's right here. But what's it between? It's between the blue drink and the green drink. You can see it's between, it's here. Between those two drinks. How did you go with that? Okay, that's the last exercise for session 3. The next video will be session 4. We'll do a recap or a summary of the last 3 exercises before we do exercise 4. Okay, enjoy your week and we'll catch up soon. Bye-bye.